Do you want to learn how to earn $70 an hour so you can make money on YouTube without showing your face? So even if you're sick like I am right now, I think you can make money while you sleep without making videos, and the proof is this channel that I'll review in a little bit. According to Social Blade, he gained 25,000 subscribers in the last 30 days, 13 million views, and made up to 53k, which is $53,300 divided by 30. He gets $1,700 per day, and per hour that's $74 an hour. Want to learn what it is? I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money on YouTube, and me and my team have 3 video editors. We try to upload over 160 videos per month. I know it's a lot, but the reason we want to do that is very simple. We just want to take over the make money on YouTube niche. So if you want to help us out, just subscribe to the channel and like this video for the algorithm, because it just snowballs. It helps us out so much, and in return we can shout you out in one of the next videos. So you gotta do is comment something cool down below, or your Instagram username, YouTube account, TikTok account, or just take it and put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. What is the channel? How can it make so much money? I just want to show you the stats it's been getting in the last 30 days. 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, a lot of subscribers. Basically the subscribers I get in a month, in a day. 500k views, you know, 500,000 views every single day. It's a big channel. But the interesting thing is, if we go on his monthly statistics, it basically had a rebirth a year ago and blew up pretty much during the pandemic. The channel is called Top Kek. It's actually a compilation channel, so you can make money without even showing your face. And a cool thing about a channel like this is you can just find Creative Commons videos, but you also have to have a voiceover or really heavily edited, or just credit the owners. Sometimes these channels have submit clips option here, and they just compile the videos, export them, and start making money on YouTube. It's literally like a machine, but obviously you gotta work on your thumbnail skills, right? He's really good at thumbnails, clickbait, editing. You gotta know how to edit the clips, but normally the streamers have really fun personalities in general. So you can leverage their audience, because the audience that's watching your videos would already know the streamer and would be generally organically interested in your content, and you have really high watch time and retention, which means you can put multiple ads on your videos. For example, for this channel, it's making, and it's called Top Kek. Has 400,000 subscribers. As you can see, most of his videos, with a few exceptions, are over 8 minutes long. So it means he can have multiple ads within the videos. This is why I think he's actually making at least, but this is not financial medical advice, results can vary, results are atypical. This for entertainment purposes only. He can be making from $2 to $4 depending if his audience is mainly in the United States. You can start a channel just like this one in any game, Minecraft, Roblox that you like, but Roblox and Minecraft will have a lower RPM or money per 1,000 views, and basically build off that. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like. If you're new, subscribe, and remember that a video a day gives a doctor away, and by the end of this video you gotta click on this video or this video out. I would personally click on this video. Bye.